Hello, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. Okay. So, today we're going to get ready. We're going to be trying some new drugstore makeup, and I'm going to be sharing with you like my recent go-to very fresh spring vibes skincare, not skincare, but skin routine that has just been my favorite. So, with that said, grab your cafecito. I just poured myself some iced coffee because I need it. I need it. I am tired today. I'm feeling it and I need some coffee. So let's get right into it. And yeah, let's try out some new makeup. We're going to jump right in. I already have my skin prep. My nails are looking crazy. I did my nails like the weekend before we left to Cancun because I wanted to have some cute nails, and now they're like, I'm ready. I'm over them. I need a new style, okay? But anyways, I will tell you about my trip, where I've been, and why I've been gone for like over 2 weeks. Also today we're going to be trying out a bunch of new Profusion makeup. So they came out with this really cool gripping jelly setting spray, a setting or a primer. They came out with a pink crush blush with some sponges, and they just have a bunch of cute stuff. So we're gonna try it. I'm gonna start off with priming my face with the brand new Profusion Get a Grip Hydrating Gripping Face Primer. Okay, super cute. The packaging, it's like, yeah, it's giving just jello. Kind of. I'm gonna pump a little bit into my hand, and then I'm gonna pick it up with a brush because honestly my hands are so cold. I literally have a blanket because I am freezing. Like, hello, we live in Houston. What is up with the cold? I am so over it, okay? I left Utah because it was too cold. Just kidding. No, but I'm here for the hot weather, and then it gets hot and I complain. Who gets me? But I'm ready. I'm okay with a month of cold, and then it's like, I'm ready for the heat, okay? So yeah, it's been cold. I'm cold. I'm freezing. I literally have goosebumps going on in my look. Do you see that? I'm so cold, but I'm still drinking cold coffee. Girls. So how are you guys? How have you been? What is the 411? What is up with you guys? How was, let's see, your Valentine's? I didn't even get to film any Valentine's Day makeup. My schedule was just so off, and we left Cancun from February 11th to February 14th, and the weekend before I had filmed a video, hated it, I trashed it, and then I just didn't have time to film, so I didn't, give myself the best timing for that, and that's on me. But yeah, I was kind of bummed out that this year I got to film no Valentine's makeup tutorials because they are my favorites, but we are on trend for spring makeup, and I have some fun ideas for some fun like pastel soft glam makeup looks. I'm gonna let this get tacky, but it's pretty much tacky at this point. Okay, it has a pretty good grip. Mind you, it's still drying, so I'm gonna give it maybe like 2 more minutes, and then I am gonna go in with my current favorite BB cream, I guess. Yeah, it is this one by the brand Misha. It is the Perfect Cover BB cream, and this one has an SPF of 42, which is really nice. I am in the shade Caramel Beige. I bought this at or on Amazon. I love it. Do you guys see the dent that I've made in it? This is the only foundation that I took with me to Cancun, and let me tell you, this looks so beautiful, okay? If you love BB creams because they're a little bit more hydrating, they're a little bit lighter, you're gonna love this. Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes. I'm gonna go in and apply my foundation. We also have Get a Grip little jelly setting spray, which is intriguing, but let's go in with that foundation. I'm gonna do one pump and I like to apply it to the back of my hand. This might be a tad bit lighter. I do have a nice tan, but yeah, you guys. So going back to my trip. So this trip was a girls trip only. It was my daughter, her best friend, my friend. So it was my friend Anna with her daughter. Her daughter and my daughter are like besties. And it was my it was my friend's daughter's. I just don't want to say too many names, you know. I like to keep people's privacy. But it was her birthday. She turned 13, and they love going to Cancun. And my friend asked me, she's like, "Hey, you know, she wants to go on a girls' trip to Cancun. Like, what do you think?" I was like, absolutely. I had just gotten my passport, and so I was like, let's go. So we went to Cancun. I was a little bit scared just because I haven't been back to Mexico in years, 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 years. I think the last time we went was when Lonnie was like maybe a year and a half or so. And it's just, for me, it's always scary to go to Mexico. I don't know. I watch too much TV, okay? And so, yeah, we left and it was amazing. We went into a resort and it was beyond my expectations. The beach was beautiful. The resort was just, oh my gosh, chef's kiss. Everything, the people there, the service, the attention to detail was just mwah, out of this world. I've never been to a resort like that ever in my life. And I just want to say that I'm definitely booking one for either this year or next year because my husband needs to experience that with me because it was so much fun. My daughter had a blast. Like, oh my gosh, it was just such a great bonding experience. Also getting to bond more with my friend, getting to know her on a deeper level, and it was just overall amazing. Like, I have no complaints. You see how beautiful this BB cream looks. Oh my gosh, it is extremely hydrating. And I would say it's pretty full coverage, maybe medium coverage. You can build it up and it has a really pleasant smell, but it's not too thick. It just feels like you have a nice like moisturizer on your skin. I love this. I cannot stop raving about it, okay? Also, I wanted to show you guys the new Physicians Formula Cream Bronzer. Oh my gosh. So this is called the Bronzer Booster in Sun Blur, I believe, or Warm Sand. And this literally is a dupe for the Chanel Soleil de Teint Bronzer. Let me get mine. So again, Physicians Formula. And this is the Chanel, which I hardly ever use this one. As you can see, this one definitely looks a lot warmer. This one looks a little more cool tone. So we're going to do a side-by-side comparison because honestly, I haven't had the chance to test them both side by side. First, I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula on the left side, and I'm going to use my Juvia's Place bronzer brush, which is my favorite. Okay, so, and I think they only have like either one or two shades, which, what do you expect from Physicians Formula? But if you can find it to work for you and you want something that is a little more natural, that for those like barely there makeup kind of days, this is really pretty. And it sits really pretty and it blends out really, really easily, as you can see, okay? So Chanel on this side. Both of the formulas are very similar where it's more of a dry formula. It's not my favorite. I prefer something a little bit more creamy, but you can always add a little bit of the Rhode glazing milk and it creates a really nice creamy, it's creamier, I guess I should say. So if you can tell the difference, this has a tiny bit more of a like red undertone and this is more golden. I personally prefer this, but you guys have to tell me what you like. Which one do you think looks better on me? The only thing that I have to say with the Physicians formula is that I feel like this one, maybe it's just a wrong color for me right now, because before I left to Cancun, I tried it and it worked. So maybe it's just a little too light for me right now, but I feel like the color is just a little too light, so you can't see it as much versus the Chanel. So I guess I do prefer this color a little bit more right now. But yeah, you guys, so we were out there from November. Yeah, February 11th to the 14th, and it was just so surreal. We came back home and I was like, I want to go back. It was so much fun. I'm gonna add a little bit of my e.l.f. Soft Glam Concealer. This one right now is a little light for me. I noticed that. I'm like, ooh, she's a little light, but that's okay. I do love me a bright under eye. We came back home on a Saturday, and then we went out Sunday, and my friend had texted me the week before. She is one of my best friends. We've had friendship for over 13 years at this point. She lives back home in Utah. She texted me randomly and she was like, hey, what are you doing Tuesday through Thursday? I was like, me? And she's like, yeah, I was thinking of coming. She lives in Utah. And I was like, oh my gosh, girl, yes. And yeah, it was a surprise because I had not seen her, or she had not visited me in probably 4 or 5 years. Also, they sent over these cute little sponges, but honestly, just by feeling the formula, like I already know I'm not gonna love this. So I don't think I'm gonna get them dirty, but I am gonna try these little powder puffs. And they just say Profusion on the back. How cute are them? This is like for powder, and this is for concealer. So I'm going to use this to blend out my concealer. They're so cute. I love little sponges like this. They're so adorable. So they came on a Tuesday, actually Monday night. Well, I guess technically Tuesday, but they came on a late Monday evening. So they were here all last week, Monday through Friday. We went out. If you follow me on Instagram, like I post a lot when I remember. I post a lot. I posted a lot of my vacation on Instagram and Snapchat. But yeah, we went out. They wanted to go to a country club, so we took them to a country club, which is something me and my husband never do. But hey, it's fun to do these. It's fun to do those things like when you have people that are visiting. And yeah, we just went out and ate a lot. So I had that, and obviously I wasn't gonna film when they were home because filming takes a long time, and I didn't want to be rude and just leave them waiting for me while I was filming. So I was like, you know what, I'm just not gonna have time to film, which is fine. Let's move on to some brushes. They also sent over face and eye brushes. I don't have a new palette, but they did send over this new, what's it called? The Jelly Beam Multi-Use Jelly Shimmer Stick. It's giving SheGlam. SheGlam gave us something similar like that a few years ago, and I actually really like them. So we're gonna open these up and see what they're all about. I love this concept. Like, jelly just brings me back to like the 90s-ish. I'm first going to apply a little bit of a cream blush, and I actually got a PR package from Rare Beauty. Don't know how that happened, but hey, I am forever grateful because I had no idea that I was even on their PR list. Don't know how that happened, but again, I was shook. This is in the shade Happy, and I think I'm gonna use, should we use this one or should we use this one? This is more of a placement brush. Okay, let's use this one. That's a really pretty pink. And then on top of that, I'm gonna go in with this Profusion Blush Crush. Like, how perfect is that? Okay, ooh, I don't think I own this color, and I'm glad that they sent it to me because it's not a color that I typically pick up, but it is so beautiful. And if you guys didn't know, which I'm sure tons of you know, Rare Beauty is now at Ulta. Oh, that is dangerous for my credit card, okay? Because I love shopping at Ulta as is, and now with Rare Beauty, we just need her perfume. Okay, I need the Rare Beauty perfume at Ulta ASAP. Moving on to the blush, I set my skin off camera. Again, this is the new Pink Crush Blush Crush. It is a bouncy cream to powder blush. And yeah, it looks really, really pretty. It matches that pink blush that I set underneath pretty nicely. So let's go in Oh, it is. Do you guys see that? Definitely has that bouncy like formula. Oh my gosh, that is a beautiful pink. I applied a little too much. That is gorgeous. Like for the spring, yeah. That is the perfect pink. Oh my gosh. Let's do the eyes. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of bronzer into my crease so we can use the Jelly Bean Multi-Use Jelly Shimmer Stick. And this is in the shade Sugar Beam. Now that I have my bronzer in my crease, I'm gonna go in with the little jelly stick. And I think I'm just gonna apply it directly onto my lid, honestly. This is gonna give you kind of like a sheer application. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. You guys know I love me a good basic eye with a pop of glitter. This is stunning. I should have done a white underneath instead of just applying it on the bare skin, but that's okay. The texture is so like wet and cold, and it just feels, yeah, like a bouncy jello. Literally, that's the best way I can describe it, is a bouncy jello texture. And if you want more, if you want this more intense, then definitely layer it. But for me, that's, I mean, I'm not really going anywhere today. Am I? What's today? Tuesday. I do have women's Bible study today, which I've been missing once because my friend was here, but I think this is going to be enough for me, and it's really, really pretty. Look at that. It almost looks like your lids are wet. So I'm going to finish off the eyes, but before we do that, we're going to set the skin with the Get a Grip Gripping Jelly Setting Spray. It is a jelly-based formula, dewy finish, lightweight and hydrating, infused with hyaluronic acid and squalane. Okay. I mean, I usually don't go for sprays like this because as an oily skin girly, but we're going to try it. It's literally so thick. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it is so thick. Like there's no movement on it, but somehow when it sprays out, it's like a spray. Science is very interesting. Okay, I'm gonna finish off my eyes and then we can finish off the lips. Okay, lashes are on. These are some cute lashes from, again, the TikTok shop. That's where I've been getting most of my lashes. Do you see how just adding lashes, like, this look looks so much better? For the lips, they also sent over this Profusion Glowy Jelly Gloss, and this is in the shade Dragon Fruit Jelly. I applied just a lip liner, and now we're going to go in with the gloss. Ooh, ooh. Okay. Well, that feels so good. Oh my gosh, I love this. It is the perfect like tint of like pink. And again, I paired it with the lip liner from Rare Beauty, which is Kind Words or Gifted. So I think that is everything, y'all. We tried a little bit of everything today. This is like a really pretty, fresh spring makeup look that you can easily adjust to your own likings. As far as like the routine, this is pretty much what I've been doing, like eyeshadows, you know, the liner, the lashes, the blush. I just switch up the colors every now and then, but oh my gosh, can I say how obsessed I am with these little glitter sticks from Profusion? If you guys have not tried them, try them. These are absolutely stunning, and I know for a fact that these are insanely affordable. So that is an update in my life, what I was doing, why I was MIA, but I will be back consistently. I don't think I'm traveling anywhere up until May, which we are going to the Bahamas, and then we're going to Utah for my sister's wedding, but that's a few weeks away. But anyways, yeah, that was nice to chat with you guys. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I love you so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.